Do you have a phone, a laptop, an iPad, or a tablet, and you have Canva installed on them and you are not making money? You are wasting resources, guys. People are making over £2,000, $2,000 monthly using Canva. Even me, myself, even though I am not consistent that much with creating digital products or creating templates, I know how much I am making using Canva on my laptop. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you some of the ways you can actually earn money on Canva, some of the templates you can actually edit and sell and make money using your Canva account. So if you are new to this channel, you are welcome. I am Alimat Ismail. I create educational videos such as this to teach you about digital marketing, teach you about social media, different AI tools, and how to make money online. So ensure to subscribe and leave a comment after watching the video. Let me know what you think. So guys, as usual, without wasting much time, let's get right into it. So guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how or the different ways of making money selling products here on Canva. So my first go-to is always books because I'm a books person. I love books. And one of the good ways to make money here on Canva is ebooks. So all you need to do is to type for ebooks, and then you have loads of templates that you can use to sell different ebooks. Get your idea or your ebook content from ChatGPT, and then you get a particular template here and customize. Okay, if you're looking for a more detailed video on how to create ebooks, I have one on my profile, so go right ahead and check it out. So you can just check which particular design you like, and then you open it up and then you click on customize design. So once you click on customize design, you're able to change different details. You can change the background, you can change the wordings, change the color. Just make sure you change it enough to make it feel like your own, and then input your own content directly from ChatGPT, or when you've edited the content and then you input it in here, and then you're good to go. So my number two way of how you can make money on Canva is through print on demand. So do you know you can do custom made products like print on demand and send it to your client for them to customize it how they want and then directly order it on Canva? So let me show you. Let's start with shirts. So if you have shirts, there are different templates here. Just look for a design you like and you want to customize. I like this. I'm going to click on it. So guys, just take a look at this. Just by clicking on it, you can see it's already giving me a model. You can choose to change the models depending on who is ordering for the different models that we have here. You can change the color into something you like or do a variety of that. And then it also gives you details of how, if it's in stock or not, and then what kind of designs or how they intend to produce this. So once you click on customize design, you are able to open it, edit it whichever way you want to do, how you want to do it, and then you can click on continue. You can see that for this female design, for like a regular size is £20.50 with free delivery. So you can try like different types of product, different kinds of shirt designs, or do custom made ones. You don't have to do the printing by yourself. You don't have to press it yourself. All you need to do is to design it on Canva and then send that link to your customer. So all you need to do is to click on this share, click on this copy link, give access to the person that you want to share, sell it to, click on copy link, and then you are good to go. So this is really, really good. Or you can just click on print with Canva and then directly order it for your client and then ship it to them. This is a good way of making money using Canva. So aside shirts, you can also do the same thing for mugs. You have mugs, different items, mugs, tote bags, whichever ones you feel fancy of selling, you can do it. So you can see as soon as I clicked on this, it gave me mock-ups, gave me sizes. So this is so good, guys. All you need to do is to click on customize this template and then edit it to suit what you want to do or who you're selling it to, and then you're good to go. So you can see if we click on tote bags, the same thing. This is so cool, guys. It gives you the mock up and everything, and you can sell it directly. So instead of doing generalized print on demand, you can actually do custom made designs for your clients and send it to them. They can also add details that they want and then order it, or you can order it for them and then ship it to them. And this is so cool, and it's really really affordable because they use quality materials. I've done this a couple of times, and guys, trust me, they use quality materials for whatever they want to do. Now, another thing you can also do is to actually make post templates. That is, if you're doing things like social media templates, so social media posts, so you can start to create a bundle of this and then sell them on Etsy. So take a look at this, guys. It has loads and loads of templates for you to work on. These are templates. You can create flyers, you can create normal stickers, normal videos for people on social media. So once you create them, you edit them, and then you can send it to them, or you create a lot of this as a bundle and you can sell them as a bundle or individually on places like Etsy and directly from the link in your bio. So guys, I hope you found this helpful. If you found this helpful so far, please do give me a subscribe to encourage me to do more of this video. Let me know what you feel in the comment, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comment and I'll be more than glad to answer you. And I'll see you on my next video. For now, bye.